Today we will delve into the intriguing concept of strategic kindness, inspired by the legendary samurai Miyamoto Musashi. In this exploration, we'll uncover how acts of kindness, when wielded strategically, can become powerful tools for navigating life's challenges and achieving our goals. From Musashi's strategic approach to conflict to the ethical considerations of using kindness as a tactic, we'll break down the complexities of this multifaceted concept. Join us as we uncover the wisdom of Musashi and learn how to incorporate strategic kindness into our own lives for greater effectiveness and fulfillment. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Let's dive in.
In an era dominated by brute force and direct confrontation, Musashi often opted for a less conventional approach. His life, marked by intense battles and periods of deep reflection, reveals instances where kindness transcended mere compassion to become a deliberate strategy. Through his teachings and actions, Musashi demonstrated that kindness could be a calculated choice, capable of shaping outcomes in ways that sheer force could not. As we delve into the life and philosophy of Miyamoto Musashi, let us unravel the paradox of kindness and its strategic significance. Learn from the strategic approach of Miyamoto Musashi, a master swordsman known for his exceptional skill in battle and strategic thinking. Musashi's life, which began in 1584, was marked by turmoil and conflict, shaping his philosophies and honing his skills. Despite his prowess in combat, Musashi also delved into deep contemplation, artistic pursuits, and teachings, as seen in his famous works, The Book of Five Rings and Dudo. These writings offer insights into his strategic mind, extending beyond mere physical combat to encompass human interaction and the power of the mind. One notable aspect of Musashi's approach was his use of kindness, respect, and psychological insight as strategic tools in relationships and alliances. He understood that conflict outcomes are often determined long before swords are drawn, emphasizing the importance of reading situations and anticipating reactions. Musashi's life teaches us that strategic thinking extends beyond overt confrontations, shaping our interactions with the world and its inhabitants. Kindness, as Musashi viewed it, is not just a moral virtue, but a calculated choice in the arsenal of a skilled strategist. As he said in The Book of Five Rings, in strategy, it is important to see distant things as if they were close, and to take a distant view of close things, highlighting the significance of kindness in his strategic approach. Musashi believed that simple acts of kindness could have powerful effects on situations and relationships. He also advised against being controlled by feelings of lust or love, emphasizing personal restraint. Additionally, he recognized the strategic value of kindness when used thoughtfully and detached from personal desires. By understanding the psychology of others and using kindness as a deliberate strength, one can disarm opponents and gain allies. Musashi's teachings encourage us to see kindness not just as a noble trait, but as a strategic tool with impactful implications for our journeys and interactions. Throughout history, the life of Samurai Musashi was marked by numerous battles, both physical and metaphorical. Surprisingly, kindness and compassion played crucial roles in his encounters, showcasing not only his martial expertise, but also his strategic prowess. One notable example is Musashi's duel with renowned swordsman Sasaki Kojiro. Musashi deliberately arrived late to unsettle and anger Kojiro, yet during the duel, he maintained a demeanor of composed respect. This strategic move aimed to unsettle Kojiro mentally before the physical battle commenced, demonstrating Musashi's understanding of human psychology. In another instance, Musashi spared the life of a young challenger, recognizing the youth's inexperience and impulsiveness. This act of mercy not only saved the challenger's life, but also imparted a valuable lesson in humility. Musashi's kindness turned an enemy into a lifelong admirer, showcasing the strategic use of compassion. Musashi's teaching approach also reflected his strategic use of kindness. Instead of rigidly enforcing techniques, he tailored lessons to suit individual strengths and weaknesses. This adaptive method earned him loyalty and respect from his disciples, expanding his influence and legacy. These examples from Musashi's life illustrate how kindness and compassion were strategic tools, blending martial skill with psychological insight. His ability to use empathy and mercy set him apart from his contemporaries, solidifying his legendary status in martial history. Musashi's use of kindness wasn't just about being nice, it was a calculated strategy. By showing unexpected kindness in situations where aggression usually rules, he could catch people off guard and shift the balance of power. This wasn't just theory. Musashi knew from experience that surprising acts of compassion could break down barriers, build trust, and even create a sense of obligation. In any relationship, trust is crucial, and strategic kindness can speed up the process of earning it. Musashi's approach challenges us to rethink the role of kindness in a world focused on competition and self-interest. It's not just about being morally right. It's about achieving our goals more effectively by reshaping our interactions with others. Understanding the potential risks of strategic kindness is crucial. While it can be a potent tool, it's important to recognize the possible downsides and ethical concerns associated with it. Using kindness strategically, like Musashi did, comes with risks, especially if it veers into manipulation or deceit. One major risk is losing authenticity. If kindness is solely used as a tactic, it can erode trust and respect over time, creating a facade of insincerity. There's also the danger of misinterpretation. What may be intended as strategic kindness could be perceived as manipulation or insincerity, damaging relationships and reputations. Ethical considerations are paramount. Kindness should never be weaponized or used to exploit others. The challenge lies in striking a balance where strategic kindness is exercised with integrity without compromising moral values. Reflecting on questions like where to draw the line between strategic kindness and manipulation, how to ensure acts of kindness remain genuine, and whether strategic kindness conflicts with personal ethics is essential. Musashi's legacy embodies the duality of human nature and strategies. He was a fierce warrior, yet he understood the power of the mind and the subtleties of human emotion. Musashi's legacy encompasses more than just warfare tactics. It delves into principles for living a balanced life. Recognizing the interplay between strength and kindness, aggression and compassion is key to navigating life's challenges effectively. Embracing this duality allows for a nuanced approach where brute force isn't always the solution, and strategic kindness can yield opportunities that strength alone cannot. By understanding Musashi's philosophy, we gain insight into when to assert strength and when to extend kindness, enabling us to make informed, balanced decisions. This approach encourages us to transcend simplistic notions of strength and kindness and explore the complexities of human interaction. By doing so, we can develop more effective and ethical strategies in both the personal and professional realms. Musashi was not only a renowned swordsman, but also a master strategist who grasped the intricacies of human dynamics and mental prowess. His teachings offer a holistic strategy that transcends conventional wisdom, reflecting the depth and complexity of his own life experiences. As we delve into Musashi's strategic use of kindness, it becomes evident that his approach to life and conflict was profound and multifaceted. Musashi teaches us that achieving true mastery requires more than just physical strength and skill. It also involves understanding our own minds and emotions and using kindness strategically. This balanced approach made Musashi not only a fearsome warrior, but also a respected philosopher and teacher. His teachings provide valuable lessons for navigating life's complexities, both personally and professionally. By reflecting on our actions and motivations, we can better understand how they affect ourselves and others. Strategic kindness is a powerful tool for building relationships, resolving conflicts, and achieving goals. As you continue your journey, I encourage you to consider how you can incorporate Musashi's principles into your daily life. How can you balance strength and kindness in your professional endeavors, personal relationships, and personal growth? Embracing Musashi's wisdom can lead to a more effective and fulfilling approach to life's challenges and opportunities. By understanding the power of kindness as a strategic tool, we can foster stronger relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and achieve our goals with integrity. Remember, incorporating Musashi's principles into your daily life means striking a harmonious balance between strength and kindness, both personally and professionally. Embracing this balanced approach can lead to greater success and fulfillment in all aspects of life. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and philosophical insights. Thank you for watching.